Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, North Coast T here. Today we're working on a 2005 Chevy Equinox. More specifically, driver door panel removal. Tools needed for this job are going to be a Phillips screwdriver, standard screwdriver, ratchet, and a 10mm. First thing you want to do is remove the speaker cover holder, and you just either with a flat blade or your pry tool, you might be able to do it with your fingers, just pry straight out on the top, and it comes straight out real easy. You're dealing with that there. Just goes into that hole, and then it's held in by these into the door panel. Now you can unplug it and remove it, or I'm just going to let it hang there while I take the rest of it off. Next thing you want to do is pull the screw out from back there to fill up. Let's get that done. With that Phillips screw removed behind there, you just want to pry out on the front of this. Just pull straight out and then pull it forward. Comes right off. Just one little clip there. Next thing you want to do is pry out on this trim piece here. You got to come out on this end and then pull it. It just clips in there, but you got to release it from this end first. So let me get that done. This thing is pretty stubborn, so if you pry up on the back of this here, it'll pop up and then it just latches in the front, and that might make it a little easier. So I'll take that off and then start prying in here to try to get this trim piece. Has to come off here. 2 bolts are behind it, and just be very careful you don't break it. But when you're prying out on this side, it's latched in on this side behind it, behind the rest of the door panel, but it's just straight clips come out. So get that off. That'll reveal your bolts back in here. There's one and there's one. So let's get those out. That's what you're working with, your 2 10mm bolts that go in here and here. So once those 10mm are out, you can just start prying all the way around with your pry tool or trim tool or screwdriver and just pull straight out on the door panel all the way around. And that's what you're dealing with there. Just pins all the way around the door that go in, and just pry straight out. Now that's off, you can either work on your lock. I'm working on the power lock, which is hidden right back in here. And then you got to put everything back together in the reverse order. You're all set. Or you can change the speaker. There's a lot of stuff you're going to need to get that door panel off for, but mine today is just a power lock. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and hope you have a great day.